Hey guys, this is my video on rivals. Today we shall fight people. I loaded into a match for us already. Just so you can see. Oh. What do you mean? How? They are cheating. That is like a level of cheating. Can't get cocky. Going for up close. I'm not doing that. Oh! Let's go. Let's go. First win. First win. Getting better. You got this. I'm like moving up in power level right now. She's going in close range, so I'm gonna go in.
Relax, chill out.
Reloading. Ooh, that was time back. That was a drawback. Okay. My brain is engineering right now. Gotta run this way.
Yeah.
Ooh. I just wasted so much ammo, but I still won. Okay. I'm getting so many keys. So many keys. Lots of keys. Lots of keys. Oh, she's waiting. She's figuring out what to use. Never judge bacon by its cover. Yeah. I was like playing peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you. You gotta get this. You gotta get this dub. Okay. Nice. Beamed them. One more win and we win. Max points. Oh, we got this.
If I took away, like her, like if she had a super fashion, that would be devastating. Like if I said,
Got him.
oh, you're not going.
Max points. I win. We got her. Let's play again. Now let's wait. We got this. Oh my god. We are eating it up like a bash of zombie. Don't tell me this!